Welcome to Snippet 3 Insurance Series. Today, Cem and I will provide you with the key elements of subrogation under Swiss law and French law. Cem, you want to start?
Yes, sure. Thank you, Ansam. Under Swiss law, the subrogation of the insurer is regulated by the law. We have the Swiss Insurance Contract Act, which has been revised, and the revisions have been enacted in 1 January 2022. And ever since then, we have a subrogation of the insurer, which kicks in at the moment the insurer pays for a claim for which it has an obligation under the policy. And the subrogation is to the extent of the compensation that the insurer pays to its insured, and it is also valid from the moment that the payment has been issued. And the subrogation is only with regards to the so-called congruent claim, as we call it in Switzerland, which means that you really enter into the claim for which the insurer could also claim against the harming party.
Okay, well, under French law, legal subrogation requires two conditions to be met. The first one is an actual payment of the indemnity, and the second one is a mandatory payment. And this one means a payment made in fulfillment of the insurance contract. So the risk must be covered by the policy. But if payment is the consequence of a commercial gesture, then the insurer can use the conventional subrogation. And the implementation of the conventional subrogation requires that the date of the subrogation receipt coincides with the date of the indemnity payment. The condition of concomitance can be satisfied when, in a prior agreement, the insured expressed the wish that the insurer be subrogated to his rights at the time of payment. I understand that under Swiss law, you don't have something similar to the conventional subrogation?
For the conventional subrogation, from what I understand, this is probably something which we would probably describe as an assignment of claim under Swiss law, which means that the insurer can agree to an assignment of the claims that its insured has. But this assignment of claim is subject to the general provisions of contract law, which means then we are in the scope of application of the Swiss Code of Obligation. And there we do not have any kind of requirement that the payment must be at the same date as the assignment has been executed. No.
Okay, so it's not exactly as under French law. I hope the audience found our insights useful. Thank you very much, Cem.
Thank you too, Ansam.
Talk to you in our next episode in our insurance
Wonderful.
series. Bye, and bye, everyone.
Bye.